Hello everybody, and welcome to Unit 2 of Lifespan Developmental Psychology. I'm Maggie, your instructor for this online course, and I have to say you got off to a really good start this spring or summer term here, and I want you to keep up the momentum. I have all of the assignments graded and returned to you now, so you can take a look at the feedback that I gave you. The best way to find that and review it is through the assignments. Look at your assignments, click on assignments, and then there'll be a link that says View. Open that up and a rubric will open for you to take a look at. So I encourage you to do that. And if you are missing case studies, go ahead and submit those as soon as you can. If you have questions on them, please send me an email. I can help you with that. Make sure you use concepts from the HDEV book. The HDEV book, I have an online copy of the HDEV book. You might have the paper copy, and that's okay. Use concepts from the HDEV book and bold those concepts. Also use citations, in-text citations, and I'm going to show you where you can find some examples of those. If you click on the cases, this is the infancy case studies. You can take a look at it. Just scroll down a little bit. It'll show you here how to use in-text citations, what they should look like. Rathis, 2016, and that is for the HDEV book. And then Newman et al., or Newman, Landry, Meyer, and Lohman, 2003. That one is the blue case book. But you'll be using mostly Rathis in-text citations. So you'll want to connect what you're reading in your HDEV book to the case studies also. And you can do that by using concepts from the book and then bolding those concepts too as you use them. Okay, good. And then usually there's going to be four to five questions for each chapter in the blue case studies book. If we only have one chapter in a week, you might see more questions there. But generally, that's what you can expect every week. And this week will be no different. We're doing Unit 2 here, which is May 29th today until June 4th, which is Sunday. We have two sections of it, infancy and toddlerhood modules for this week. And you can find all the information here on D2L pretty much in the same format that you saw from last week. Is what you can expect. One journal, there's only one journal per unit, and this one has two cases and two chapters in the casebook, infancy and toddlerhood. Do the study practice quizzes. Those are very helpful for you as you study in the HDEV book to understand the concepts and ideas there. It'll also help you study for your graded quizzes. These study practice quizzes are not graded. You can do them as many times as you want. They're just for study. So you can use those. Watch the videos too. I usually try and keep those into about 2-3 minutes. Some are a little longer, some are a little shorter. There is a long one in toddlerhood. Oops, there's a video. Let's look at videos. Okay, Genie, The Secret of the Wild Child is long. It's more like an hour. It's optional. You don't have to watch it, but it's very interesting about Genie and the wild child and how her development was affected by the abuse that she had. And we're particularly interested in it because of the language learning and the critical period for language learning. And you'll see that in the HDEV book, page 115. So you can look at that. But it's very interesting. Okay, I think that is all I have right now for you. I do encourage you, like I said, to let me know if you have questions. Just send me an email. That's no problem at all. And if you are missing things, I know it was a kind of a hectic first week as you get to know things and what you're doing. And the classroom and that can be very hectic. And if you missed something from last week, please go ahead and do it. Submit it. The only thing that's not open are the quizzes. Those will close. But the case studies and the journal are still open. Okay, well, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know.